Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, Lisa and I, we are on the Holland America, Nieuw Amsterdam. We're on the lower promenade deck, or deck 2. I specifically point that out because publicly they only list the names, they don't list the deck numbers. So just know the lower promenade is deck 2. This is all public space, so let's take a look. We're gonna stay to the right here, and this is the second floor of the world stage, or the main theater. We saw this in another video. There's stairs right here on your right to get both up and down. I'm just gonna backtrack because I'm gonna let you know there's a men's restroom here and accessible right there. I forgot to show that walking in. Nice big stools here. This is a really neat theater. Obviously the stage is down there, the big black hole from up here. But we'll sit in this chair so you can get a better idea. Great views. Absolutely amazing views. I might like to sit right here, Lisa. Get to the other side again. Opposite side, there's more stairs. I'm assuming the ladies' room is on this side. Yes. Women's, both accessible and regular. Let's keep on going. Here's that forward elevators and stairs. Now we're heading into the casino. So we'll do a quick look around. They've got heads up, hold'em, blackjack, heads up, hold'em, blackjack, 3-card prime, fun 21 blackjack, blackjack. It's interesting, the casino's actually only on one side of the ship here. Watch your step. Texas Hold'em. All right, so I'm gonna make a general assumption. You can smoke over there, but you cannot smoke on this side. There's no tables in the non-smoking area, but there is a non-smoking area for those who don't like that. We hope you will see in this full tour, there's a lot of really unique spaces. Here's the Rolling Stone Lounge, which you can get into, I think, from the other side as well. Yeah, because I saw it from the other side earlier. So we'll show you it from the other side as well. The Rolling Stone Lounge. This is a little ramp. Elevators, assuming that's access to get on and off the ship. Midship elevators and stairs. Here is the Pinnacle Grill, but this is not where you go in. You go in on the other side, so we're gonna scooch around and show you that. Main atrium area. The main entrance for the Pinnacle Grill is right over here. Normally we stay on the right, but as you can see, the right is just the restaurant. If you're wanting a really upscale meal, the Pinnacle Grill here on Holland America is the place to go. We'll try to get some shots of the menu for you guys. If we have shots of the menu, we always post those on our Facebook group. So if you're watching this video and not already part of our Facebook group, just search Tall Man's Cruise Adventures. This almost looks like it can be a private area. I say it because there's a curtain, And so you say you have a group, like we're doing a group cruise. Let's say we did a group cruise on this ship. This could be our dining space. Yeah, I guess it's the same. I was thinking the chairs looked a little different, but, well, they do. They're, like these ones are all leather. Those are sort of got fabric on them. So it's like a combination of newer and older. I'm guessing these are the original chairs, and these have been updated. I'm just taking a guess. But these tables here, I think this might be a interesting table to sit at. I don't know if it would be too loud or not, but you'd be dining here and just to your right overlooking the atrium down or up. I think it would be a unique way to have dinner. Lisa said great views no matter where you are. Yeah. Little thing, this is Pinnacle Grill here at the front. So let's continue. I'm not going to look to this side because we'll get that on the way back. We're really focused on stuff on the right because normally we stay to the right, but there's nothing on that side on the right. So here's your Park West Studios area. We'll show you the other on our way back. I love this huge mural here. This is Nieuw Amsterdam. It's a gigantic mural. And there's some restaurants. We're not missing anything. We'll show it when we go back the other way. There is a men's, women's, and accessible restroom right there. We're now by the aft elevators and stairs here on deck 2. And we're going back into the main dining room. Now, when you come in, your Club Orange has its own kiosk. And then you have 2 people here. This area of the restaurant is for, at least for us, is the anytime dining. And so we just come down. We don't have to pre-register. We don't have to make reservations ahead of time. We literally just walk down and say dinner for 2. Came down last night at 5:30 and just walked right up and was seated. So really unique decor in here. I love it. I love this whole center area where the stairs are up, but underneath there's a little serving area there. We are here again all the way at the back of the ship, so there's windows. We're not going to be able to see very much this hour. I think it's a unique contrast of colors, Lisa. The tanny brownies, the light colored tan chairs with the bright red in the center. Is that orange? It looks red to me. And there's some red in the carpet. I think that's how they tie it all together. We're getting ready for breakfast in here. These are not TVs. They're sort of just, I can call them art installations, I guess. I don't know. We'll see that from deck 3. Some steps here, y'all. The same steps on the other side. I just didn't point them out. Accessibility challenges. I don't think you'll be able to dine in that particular area. We had a bench last night where at our table, and I sat with the pillow behind my back. I don't know if you saw that. So there you go. There's your deck 2. It's part of the restaurant. Sorry, it's just called the dining room, and we're going to stay to the right. Over here, there's this is a studio for doing. It's hard to see through any of that. If you want to do a seating for your pictures, I'm not talking about pictures that you get taken as you're walking around the ship every night. Not those kind of pictures. This is a special seating. It's like a photo shoot. Yeah, I don't know how else to call it. We've done that before on another cruise line, and it was not inexpensive, but it was amazing. It's called the Signature Studio. There's another entrance. I mean, they keep it locked because of the equipment in there and stuff, but if you're looking for a nice set of photos, absolutely amazing thing to do. So we're back at the stairs. We just came down here to get to the restaurant because there's no passageway on the other side because the kitchen's over there. Remember, there's the restroom. So now we're going to look to the other side. There's also men's and women's restroom here. This is the entrance of the Explorer's Lounge. It has two areas. It has this nice seating area back here, or a pass-through to get to the main area, which you can also get to the main area from up here. You can see in there through, this panel's not solid. They have some entertainment up here. Obviously, you can see there's a grand piano that always sits there. My guess is like when they're doing Alaska and stuff, they do speeches down here, like talks, shore talks and destination talks and stuff maybe. Lectures and things. Or just performances. The Explorer's Lounge. I sort of showed you a little bit of the Park West on that side. Here's the larger side of the Park West where all the art is. So if you're into collecting art, it's a nice little layout in here. This is your Pinnacle bar, because we're right outside the Pinnacle restaurant. If you want to come down here and start your experience a little bit early, have a nice bottle of wine or cocktail or something, there's the bar right outside the Pinnacle restaurant, which we've already seen. We came from that way. Back to the midship elevators and stairs. You have 2 elevators on this side, 2 elevators in the middle, and 2 elevators on the far side. Now, by the way, all the elevator banks, when you push these buttons in the middle, they do not seem to light up the ones on the outsides. You have to press those buttons separately. Just want to let you know. Restroom, men's, women's, accessible. On this side, that's the men's, and that's the women's. Kind of look nice in there. Little ramp. Here's the other entrance to the Rolling Stone Lounge. I'm looking forward to coming down here and catching some of the entertainment. Oh, this is a cool little vignette, Lisa. It's like 3-dimensional. Isn't that neat? My guess is there's a mirror, and there's also books like right here. That's neat. Very well done. Little schooner. I don't know, is that a schooner or a flow sailboat? For the nautical types out there, schooner? What would you call that? Another one of these art installations, sort of it's set back in. There's a shadow box. Thank you. Here's your billboard onboard lounge. This area looks a little bit more newer than the rest. It's also your dueling pianos area. I do have accessible seating right here, bellied up to the piano. And the other half of the billboard onboard bars on this side. So there's a bar on that side, and wasn't there a bar on that side as well? I thought there was a bar right there. It's my mistake. I'm so sorry. I was staring at this thinking bar back there. So And that is that, everybody. We have now gone 360 here on deck 2 on the New Amsterdam. Deck 2 is considered the lower promenade. Let us know what your favorite area is here on deck 2. Until we see you on another deck or another ship, be safe.